QUANZHOU HEYI Electronics Company Limited is a famous hometown of overseas Chinese located in Quanzhou City, a high-tech enterprise integrating design, R&D, production, and sales. Won the honorary title of the National New High-Tech Enterprises in 2018. Adhering to the mission of science and technology creates a safe and better life, Heyi is committed to the R&D and production of the intelligent security and protection, engineering security and protection, and smart home system products, such as home alarm system, on-site alarm, engineering alarm system, wireless and wired sensors, IP cameras, etc. Heyi has a number of modern automated production lines and a variety of top testing equipment. In addition, Heyi also has a team of senior technical experts in the fields of the Internet of Things, intelligent security and protection, and smart home, who specializes in the industrial vision design and the development of smart hardware, embedded software, cloud service, iOS, and Android applications. Heyi adheres to the German quality for the purpose of R&D, strictly complies to the ISO 9001 quality management system, and ensures the good quality of the products. Heyi products are widely used in households, banks, hospitals, hotels, and government projects, etc. Fields and exports to 5 continents in more than 160 countries and regions around the world. Thanks to closely working with many of famous brand enterprises in the world, our products are sincerely favored and trusted by customers.